I know I look super silly drinking out of this water bottle that's bigger than my head. However, I have been having a lot of issues staying hydrated recently, and so this guy with the quotes on the side really helps me to keep drinking water throughout my day. Today is all about Moment and all the different lenses that they offer. So we're going to be talking about things like why you may need something like this, how much do they actually cost, and most importantly, how do they actually look? So let's dive right in. First, we're going to be talking about the why. Why would you need something like this for your phone when it already has all of these different cameras on it in the first place? So in most phones that have multiple cameras, there's usually one that is superior over all the others. Now what I mean by this is maybe this camera can let in a lot more light, giving you a little bit more of a blurry background and less noise, or maybe it just looks the best out of all the other cameras on the phone. So let's say I'm shooting a video for TikTok or Instagram and I don't really like that this lens right here doesn't get as wide as I want it to. However, I do like the quality that comes off of this lens. So having something like this 18mm lens and then putting it right on front of this camera right here will get me the same image quality. However, I get a much wider angle. And it also works in the opposite way too. Let's say that you want to get way closer with this same camera, then you can get something like this 60mm lens and get much closer to your subject. Now, like I said before, even though these phones come with different camera lenses to give you different angles, having a wide variety of different focal lengths that you can attach to these two cameras can be super helpful. So let's say you're a mom or dad and you're going to your kids' soccer game, football game, basketball game, and you want to take some good high quality photos of them from your phone, but you're not able to get quite close enough, then you can buy something like this 60mm, which will give you a much tighter shot, and you can really get some high quality shots without having to buy a camera. You're doing it all from your smartphone. Now, Apple has made an attempt to kind of fake depth of field with this new cinematic mode, or what you guys may know as portrait mode for photos. However, there's just something about native or real depth of field that's so much better than the fake artificial depth of field that people are trying to create through software nowadays. So using some of these lenses can definitely help you get a much cleaner and blurry background, which is another reason why you may be interested in something like this. Now, the last reason is, say for instance you want to shoot something like anamorphic, then you can get an anamorphic lens for your smartphone that allows you to get this incredibly wide image like you see at the movie theaters, but still maintain super high quality from your smartphone. Also, it allows you to get these cool light streaks that you really can't replicate without using an anamorphic lens. So Future Joe here, don't really know why I said that, because you definitely can replicate these different light leaks. All you have to do is buy this certain filter, and actually Moment just came out with their own, which you can buy right over here. I'll leave a little link. It's not affiliate at all. Actually, it is affiliate. I do get paid. I don't know why I said that either. But you can recreate those light leaks. All you have to do is buy this filter. All right, back to the video. Now let's move on to the next topic, which is examples of exactly how each and every one of these lenses look. Alright, so now you're excited and maybe you want a lens, but the question is how much this is actually going to cost you. So first off, there's a few things to think about. Not only do these lenses cost money, but you also have to find a way to attach it to your phone. And if you're going to be using something like an ND filter or a cine bloom filter, which is what I have on my camera right now, then you're going to have to use something like this attachment right here, or this attachment right here, which does cost more money. So right here on the screen, I'll actually show you guys exactly how much each and every one of these lenses cost. I'll also be showing you exactly how much each and every one of these attachments cost. If you can avoid having to buy this phone clamp, I would definitely recommend that route. And I would recommend that you get one of their cases if they have one for your phone, which they probably do because they have a wide variety of cases for most smartphones out there. And basically what you get is this clamp right here, which you can pop into your case and attach the lens directly to your case. And just to be clear, these do work with photos and video. However, I don't really know why you would want to use an anamorphic lens for photos, but that is something that you could do if you wanted to. And while all these lenses except the anamorphic lens can work with your native smartphone camera app, I would strongly recommend that you download the Moment app, which allows you to get different profiles and kind of allows you to de-squeeze the image if you're going to be shooting anamorphic, all within your smartphone. Now this app also works as kind of a pro camera for your phone. You can control a few different things like shutter speed and ISO, white balance, autofocus, all of those things directly through this app. Now if you're someone who shoots a lot of video or photos on your smartphone and you really want to get some stable footage, then I recommend that you check out this video right over here where I talk about one of the best gimbals that you can get for your mobile devices.